In this video, I will show you how to record computer audio with Audacity. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Audacity is a great little program which allows you to record audio not just from your own voice but from your computer as well. So to get started, open up Audacity, and what you want to do is come to this button at the top which says Audio Setup, give that a click to bring up this menu, and then come down and click onto Audio Settings. On the Audio Settings window, come up to the top, and where it says Host, you want to click onto this drop down box and change it to Windows WAS API. Then come down to Playback, and on device you want to make sure that your output speakers are detected and selected. So that's going to be your laptop speakers, or if you have plugged in some external speakers, of course you want to select those from the list. Next, in the recording section where it says device, change this from your microphone to your laptop speakers or your PC speakers. And for channels, you want to make sure this is set to stereo. And once that's done, what you can do is click OK. And what it's going to do now when you start recording, as you can see, I'm speaking on my mic, but it's not actually going to pick up my voice. It's only going to pick up some computer audio. So when I start typing on my keyboard, as you can see, it's recording all this. So that is how to record computer audio with Audacity. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.